Welcome to Ganjyoti online classes, class 10, English chapter 9. Topic is Madam Rides the Bus. Here the lesson written by Bali Khan. And here translated by from the Tamil by K.S. Sundaram and illustrated by R.K. Lakshman. This lesson speaks about a child. Here she is a village child. She likes to go to town by bus. How she was daring and how she thought that I will visit a new place without informing the parent. He went to the town to visit and came back. And in this story, we can see the 8-year-old girl's first bus journey into the world outside our village. He also her induction into the mystery of life and death. She sees the gap between our knowing that there is death and our surrounding of it. So I would like to say that this sometimes we have the negative remarks also. First thing in this story we see she did not permit and she went and etc. We shall discuss. So let's start the lesson. There was a girl named Baliamai. Yes, it was her name. Who was called Vali. In short name, Vali. Yes, इसको वली बोल के पुकारते थे. She was 8 years old and very curious about things. Though the junior age, though the small age, very curious. The word curious, very interesting to know more details of the thing. That is called curious about the things. Her favorite pastime was standing in the front doorway of her house. Yeah, pastime is leisure time. And in that type of time, she used to be in front of the doorway of her house. घर के सामने वो खड़ा होके वो देखती रहती थी. That was her pastime. Okay. Watching what was happening in the street outside. Yes, what was her duty? Watching what was happening in the street outside. बाहर में क्या हो रहा है वो निहारती रहती थी. It's very nice. It was one of the smart of these girls' lives. There were no playmates of her own age on her street, and this was about all he had to do. As she, sometimes we like to play with our friends of our own age. And here, this Vali had no friend. That's why she had to use her time in a different way, just while observing outside. And there was no playmate, so she was just standing out in front of her door and just gazing or looking towards outside. Okay. But for Vali, standing at the front door was very wit, as enjoyable as any of the elaborate games other children played. Yeah, elaborate games, the games which are very interesting games, which other children enjoy. But here, first thing, this girl had no friends. She was out just observing, and he was enjoyable, means he was enjoying too much by standing in this door. It's okay. Watching the street gave her many new unusual experiences. Yeah, by watching the street gave her new unusual experiences, means new thoughts, new ideas, new admiration. She could feel. So let's see what are the imaginations and that experiences she could get. Let's discuss. The most fascinating thing of all was the bus that traveled between her village and the nearest. What is bus? एक बस जाती थी, यस, ट्रेवल बिटवीन हर विलेज एंड ए नियरेस्ट टाउन, उस गांव से लेते हुए एक शहर को जाती थी. एंड दिस गर्ल ऑब्जर्व दिस बस वेरी वेल. इट पास थ्रू हर स्ट्रीट ईच आवर, once going to the town and once coming back, 2 times. एक जा रही है तो जाने का समय है और एक आने का समय है. There is 2 time this bus time. The sight of the bus filled each time with a new set of passengers. Yeah, in the new bus, new set of passengers, new people they set, new people they were in this journey. Was a source of unending joy for Wali. Wali saw this. Then today she saw new people, and the next day different people. And Wali had a very curiosity, very interest, and very imaginable, very unending joy. Means जिसका आनंद का कोई अंत नहीं है. This type of feelings this girl had. It's okay. Day after day, she watched the bus. And gradually a tiny wish crept into her head and grew there. Yes, day after day she watched the bus. Now every day mind is set up to look this bus, okay? And gradually means slowly a tiny wish. हर में कुछ उमंग इच्छा उभरते रहता है. उस लड़की जैसे ही देखी कुछ इच्छा जागृत हुई. Tiny wish crept into her head. Because we speak what we speech thought express what we think, then we act. Yes, आप जो सोचते हो वही करते हो. In this line I can say, आप कुछ भी काम कर रहे हो मतलब तुम्हारे दिमाग में वही चीज़ को दिमाग में रखे हो. Yes, यहाँ पर लड़की मन में था कि मैं जरूर कुछ करूँगी. What tiny wish crept into her head and grew there means धीरे धीरे उसकी इच्छा बढ़ते जा रही है. She wanted to ride on that bus. उसको उस बस में बैठना है. Even if just once. Yeah. For some people had to go to new type of journeys. If anybody say to flight journey or the rocket journey, some people have not said. So it is for them it is new type of feelings. Here we can say कभी नहीं बैठी वली बस में. वो सोचती काश मैं एक बार बस में बैठूं, क्योंकि उस देहात में थी. शिवाजी द विलेज एंड उनके फैमिली वाले कोई जर्नी नहीं किए थे बस में. उसकी एक इच्छा है कि मैं गाड़ी में बैठूंगी. ठीक है. दिस विश बिकम स्ट्रॉन्गर एंड स्ट्रॉन्गर, यू नो, स्ट्रॉन्गर एंड स्ट्रॉन्गर. और इच्छा मजबूत और मजबूत होते गया. Until it was an overwhelming desire. Overwhelming desire means overflowing desire. Desire was so much. She felt that I will definitely one day sit in this bus. The desire. Wali would stare wistfully at the people who got on or off the bus when it stopped at the street corner. Wali would stare means gaze, देखती थी. Wistfully means longingly at the people who got on or off the bus when it stopped at the street corner. Yes, street corner में वो she could observe. Yes, and that people they go and out in the street corner. That things she could observe. जो लोग चढ़ रहे हैं उतर रहे हैं वो बहुत ध्यान से देखती थी. Their faces would kindle in her longing. Their faces would kindle means set alight or feelings in her longing dreams. What dreams? That I also once sit in this bus. It's okay. Dreams and hopes. If one of her friends happened to ride the bus and try to describe the sights of the town of her Wali would be too jealous to listen and would shout in English, proud, proud. Let's see, if one of her friends happened to ride, तो मान लीजिए तुम्हारे उनमें फ्रेंड में से कोई बस में चढ़ा, yes, and tried to describe the sight of the town to her and told that the town is something bigger than that, town is with more lights, town has more buildings, town has many markets, etc. When anything they describe, और उसमें वली को क्या एक्सप्रेशन देखिए, try to describe the sights of her, the town of her. वली would too jealous to listen and would shout, वो jealous होके वो चिल्ला देते कि English, proud, proud, तुम घमंडी हो, ये you are proud कि तुम ही जा सकते हो. Means वली one longing desire to sit in this bus and to go, wants to go to bus that is not yet fulfilled. Neither she nor her friends really understood the meaning of the word, but they use it often as a slang expression disapproval. Neither she nor her friends really understood the meaning of the word. Yeah, they did not know the English word. The word English word she told, but she also doesn't know the Wali, not friend also, but they are telling the word. They learn English from somewhere else, I think so. But they don't know the meaning of this language, English proud. But they use it often as a slang expression, means often used with a close group of disapproval. Yes, disliking, talking, they talk, proud. उसका मीनिंग भी नहीं आता फिर बोल रहे हैं. Let's see. Over many days and months, Wali listened carefully to conversations between her neighbors and people who regularly used the bus, and she also asked a few discreet questions here and there. Over many days and months, Wali listened carefully. बहुत लोगों से सुनते आई. What about this bus? To conversation between her neighbors and people who regularly used the bus, बार बार जो बस को यूज करते थे. And she also asked a few discreet questions, means careful questions here and there. उसके बारे में जानकारी लेने के लिए बहुत सारा क्वेश्चन भी पूछती थी. It's okay. This way she picked up various small details. Various small details means she got some few informations about the bus journey. The town was 6 miles from her village. Okay, अपने गांव से 6 माइल दूर में था. The fare was 30 पैसा one way. कितना? only 30 पैसा. पैसा में जर्नी. एक समय था पैसा चलता था, अभी जैसे कि 1 रुपया चलता है. एक समय था 1 पैसा, 30 पैसा. ठीक है. So 30 पैसा में ये टाउन जा सकती थी. So the town was 6 miles from her village. 6 miles means more than 10 kilometers. And here she had to go to this bus from her village to town on 30 paisa. It's okay. 30 paisa one way, which is almost nothing at all. She heard one well-dressed man say, but to Wali, who secretly scarcely saw that much money from one month to the next, it seems a fortune. She heard one well-dressed man say, एक बार अच्छा इंसान, अच्छा ड्रेस पहना हुआ इंसान बोला, but to Wali, who scarcely saw that much money from one month to the next, it seems a fortune. Yes, that is very wealthy person. For 1 month, that money to go to that place. The trip to the town took 45 minutes. Yes, no, only 45 minutes journey. Short journey. Yes, on reaching town, if she stayed in her seat and paid another 30 paise, she would return home on the same bus. Okay, 30 paisa for one side, and if she will come back 30 paisa, 60 paisa is sufficient to go and to come back. Okay, the return ticket, she can come also. This means that she could take the 1 o'clock afternoon bus, reach the town at 1:45. Let's see. Here we can see 1 o'clock afternoon. Okay, she can go return to town and 1:35 and came back home by 2:35. So whence she will go? Once again, this means that she would take the 1 o'clock afternoon bus. 1 बजे बस में जाएगी और पहुंचेगी 1:45. Yes, and she will return to 2:45. She will come back. Okay, on and miss 1 घंटे का सफर, जाना 1 घंटा, आने घंटा, 50 minutes maybe less. Okay, on and when went her thoughts as she calculated and recalculated, planned and replanned. Now here Valley thinking, thought and thought, then calculated, planned, etc. for a long time. Then finally she decided to go. This is the part number 1 discussions. Now we have to discuss the part number 2. So okay, page number 119, part number 2. Well, one fine spring day. Spring is a very good day. Okay, Basant Ritu. The afternoon bus was just on the point of leaving the village. जैसे कि village को छोड़ने वाली है, turning into the main highway when a small voice was heard shouting. छोटी सी आवाज, एक चिक्की आवाज आया. Stop, stop, stop the bus. Stop the bus, and a tiny hand was raised commandingly. Tiny and small hand. Okay. The bus slowed down to a crawl. धीरे से गाड़ी कर दिया. And the conductor, sticking his head out of the door, दरवाजे से सर निकाला और देखा, said, hurry then, tell whoever it is to come quickly. कौन किसको जाना है? Come quickly, you come out. Then Wali shouted, it's me, shouted Wali. I am the one who has to get in. छोटी सी बच्ची बोल रही है कि मुझे उस बस में जाना है. Okay, get on. By now the bus had come to a stop. Means bus रुक गया. And the conductor said, oh really, you don't say so. Then what answer? Yes, I simply have to go to town. Said Wali, yeah, मुझे उस शहर जाना है. Yes. Then what happened? Still standing outside the bus. बस में बाहर में है. And here is my money. She showed him some coins. ये मेरे पास पैसा भी है. I'll go to town. Okay. But first you must get on the bus. पहले बस में चले जाइए, उसके बाद पैसा लेंगे, ठीक है? Said the conductor, and he stretched out a hand to help her off. Yes, stretched out a hand to help her off. मतलब उस लड़की को हाथ से खींच के अंदर ले आए, ठीक है? Never mind, said she, I can get on by myself. You don't have to help me. Okay, no problem. Yeah, I can climb, I can go inside. Don't do. I don't need of help. I can enter. Okay. This girl spoke like that. The conductor was a jolly sort. थोड़ा सा मजाक इंसान था. Fond of joking. थोड़ा हंसी मजाक करने वाला इंसान था. Yes. Oh, please don't be angry with me, my fine madam. छोटी सी बच्ची को बोले कि नाराज मत होइए मैडम. Yes. He said, here, have a seat right up there in front. सामने एक सीट है, बैठ जाइए. Everybody move your side, please. Make way for madam. Yes, हर कोई ग्रुप बढ़ जाइए, मैडम को जगह दे दीजिए. This fellow was very jolly fellow. Jolly means something is happy fellow, something joking, fond of joking. तो यहाँ पर joking करते हुए बातचीत किया. It was slack time of day. Slack time means time when there is not much work, जहाँ कुछ काम नहीं है तो वहाँ पर बहुत गिने चुने इंसान ही बैठते हैं. There were only 6 or 7 passengers on the bus. Only 6-7 पैसेंजर बस में थे. Yes, they were all looking at Wali and laughing with the conductor. सब वली के पास बैठ के सब हंस रहे थे. Yes, Wali was overcome with shyness. Wali overcome with shyness means Wali did not hesitate. Overcome means she had no fear or so शर्मिला nature, any shy nature. She was forward to speak, okay, avoiding everybody's eyes, हर किसी का आँख को हटाते हुए. She walked quickly to an empty seat and sat down. Yeah, she got an empty seat in the bus and she sat down. Then she, may we start now, madam? The conductor asked, smiling. Yes, let's. The conductor told, smiling. Then he blew his whistle twice, and the bus moved forward with a roar. एक आवाज करते हुए बस आगे बढ़ा जैसे whistle दिया गया. It was a new bus. Its outside painted a gleaming white with some green strips along the sides. ये सफ़ेद साइड पेंटिंग में हरा का कलर का कुछ पत्ता टाइप का डिजाइन है और वो नया बस है. लुकिंग वेरी नाइस लुकिंग. इनसाइड ओवरहेड बार्स शोन लाइक सिल्वर बार ऊपर में है. डायरेक्टली इन फ्रंट ऑफ वली में वली के सामने है बार एक. अबव द विंडशील्ड में जो खिड़की है, देयर वाज ए ब्यूटीफुल क्लॉक. सामने घड़ी भी रखा गया है. द सीट्स वर सॉफ्ट एंड लग्जरियस. या बहुत ही सॉफ्ट और बहुत ही महंगा और मुलायम, बहुत अच्छा. दिस गर्ल सैट इन दिस सीट. Wali devoured everything with her eyes. Wali enjoyed this journey. But when she started to look outside, she found her view cut off by a canvas. Cut off by a canvas means canvas disturbed her to see that covered the lower part of the window. Window को नीचे बांधा गया था. So she stood up and seated and peered over the blind. Yes, in this blind area, canvas blind, poured over and tried to see the landscape, see the outside scenery. Okay. The bus was now going along the bank of a canal. Canal होते हुए बस गया. The road was very narrow, not wide, narrow means संकरा. On one side there was the canal and beyond it palm trees. कैनाल के पास क्या था? एक palm tree था. Grassland, distant mountains, बड़ा बड़ा पहाड़ भी है दूर में. Distant means long distant. And the blue sky. What the landscape, beautiful landscape that means. On the other side was a deep ditch. एक तरफ एक ditch means गड्ढा है. And there acres and acres of green fields. Green as far as the eye could see. पूरा हरियाली, पूरा चारों तरफ हरियाली है. Oh, it was all so wonderful. बहुत ही प्यारा था. Suddenly she was startled by a voice. तुरंत ही एक voice से वो क्या हुआ? Some disturb. Listen, child, said the voice. You shouldn't stand like that. Sit down. Yes. Someone told that he was standing and gazing this beautiful landscape. Someone told that you sit down and see. Sitting down, she looked to see who had spoken. It was an elderly man who had honestly been concerned for her. एक बुजुर्ग है, a senior person. He told that you sit and see, but she was annoyed by her attention. Disturbed that. She was disturbed by this type of treatment. There is nobody here who is a child. Who is telling that I am child? यहाँ पर कोई child नहीं है, कोई बच्चे नहीं है. She said haughtily. Haughtily means proudly. I have paid my 30 पैसा like everyone else. Yes, जितने दिए हैं 30 पैसा मैं भी दिया हूँ. Who told that I am child? Don't say I am a child. The conductor chimed in. It's agreed. Okay. Oh sir, but this is very grown up madam. ये बच्ची नहीं है, ये मैडम है. मैडम बैठी है बस में. Do you think a where girl could pay her own fare. क्या समझते हो कि छोटी मोटी बच्ची पैसा दे सकती है क्या? And travel to a city all alone. और अकेले पूरा शहर को जा सकती है? नहीं नहीं नहीं, not possible. That a small child can go to cities, town by paying money is not possible. Wally shot an angry glance at the conductor. गुस्सा हो गया देखी वो लड़की and said, "I am not a madam. Please remember that. And you have not yet given me my ticket. अभी तो मुझे टिकट नहीं दिया, पैसा भी मैं दे दी हूँ." Yes, this is the behavior. I'll remember. The conductor said, mimicry her tone. I will remember. Okay, उसकी नकल करके लड़की की वो कंडक्टर ने बोला. Everybody laughed and gradually Wally to join in the laughter. उनके बातचीत में मतलब वली भी उनके साथ मिलकर हंसना शुरू कर दी. We know that the conductor was jolly and man of laughing or fond of joking. So this is a very interesting one. Now the conductor punched a ticket and handed it to her. Conductor एक टिकट दे दिया उस लड़की को. Just sit back and make yourself comfortable. आराम से बैठिए, comfortably sit. Why should you stand when you have paid for a seat? Yes, you have paid for a seat. Then why are you standing? You take rest and go. बैठने के लिए पैसा दिए हो ना? Let's see. So what the answer? But I want to. She said, standing up again. मुझे बैठ खड़ा होने का इच्छा है. As I would like to stand, then why are you disturbing me? But if you stand on the seat, you may fall and hurt yourself when the bus makes a sharp turn or hits the bomb. या तो bomb पर में in bombs it crashes or in a sharp turn, you may get some wounds and some hurts. So better sit down. Okay, that's why we want you to sit down, child. Then the child, I am not a child, I tell you. She said irritably, I am 8 years old. I am not a child. Means in her way, child means a baby. 2-3 साल के बच्चे को child बोला जाता है. मैं तो 8 साल की हो गई तो मैं बड़ी हो गई हूँ. And don't say me a child, okay? Of course. How stupid of me. मैं कितना मूर्ख हूँ. 8 years, my. Yes. 8 साल की हो गई है. Who told? This conductor. The bus stopped. Some new passengers got on, and the conductor got busy for a time. After, afraid of losing her seat, Wally finally sat down. Now, Wally thought that if I stand, then someone will capture occupy my seat. That's why she immediately sat in that place. An elderly woman came and sat beside her. एक बहुत ही बुजुर्ग महिला बैठती है. Are you all alone here? उस लेडीज बोलती है, क्या तुम अकेले जा रहे हो? She asked Wally as the bus started out. Again, जब बस आगे बढ़ रही है, this lady asked Wally about this question. Wally found the woman absolutely repulsive. Repulsive means causing strong dislike. Yeah, what type of behavior activity? Such big holes she had in her ear lobes. कान में बड़ा बड़ा ear lobes पहनी है, गड्ढा है. And such ugly earrings in them. घटिया वाला earring पहनी है, अच्छा नहीं दिख रही है. तो वहाँ पर बली को अच्छा लगा. And she could smell the betel nut. The woman was chewing and see the betel juice. पान की पत्ता चाव रही थी. और उसका जूस, जो पान जब चला वाला पान चापते हैं तो उसका जूस निकलता है. That is threatening to spill over her lips. Means उसको lips से निकल जा रहा है. At any moment, she told, I am very odd fellow. She could be sociable with such my person. ऐसे ना उसे मैं पास में बैठ के बात करूँगा. No. Wally irritated to this lady. Yes, I am traveling alone. She told. She answered coldly, means showing displeasure. Means तो Wally थोड़ा नाराज होके बोली. And I have got a ticket too. और मुझे भी मैं भी एक टिकट पाया हूँ. ठीक है. Yes, she is on her way to town. said the conductor. कंडक्टर बोले कि वो अपने शहर जाना चाहती है विद 30 पैसे टिकट, 30 पैसा की टिकट में वो जाना चाहती है वो वर्ली. ओके, देन सी ओ व्हाई डोंट यू माइंड योर ओन बिजनेस, सेड वर्ली. तुम अपना काम करो ना. हु आर यू आस्किंग मी? यस, हु टोल्ड? वर्ली टोल्ड टू conductor, but she laughed all the same and the conductor laughed too. It's a very joking time. वो अपने बातों में फिर वली हंस रही है. But the old woman went on with her drivel silly nonsense. वो वृद्ध महिला अपनी मूर्खता से जा रही है. Is it proper for such a young person to travel alone? Is it proper for such a young person to travel alone? क्या ये अकेले छोटे बच्चे को बस में जाना सही है क्या? Who told? Old man talk. Is it proper means right to for such a young person, you means 8 years old girl, to travel alone? Do you know exactly where you are going in town? क्या बता सकते हो शहर में कहाँ पर जा रहे हो? What the street? What the house number? कौन सा गली में, कौन सा घर में, क्या बता सकते हो कहाँ जा रहे हो? लोग का सोच है कि अकेली जा रही शहर में, किसी घर में जा रही है. एक्चुअली दिस गर्ल वाज फ्रॉम द विलेज टू टाउन विजिटिंग एंड आफ्टर विजिटिंग सेम बस she will come back. Others had the different questions. Yeah, you need not better bother about me. बोले तुम मेरे बारे में चिंता क्यों कर रहे हो? Why? I can take care of myself. मैं अपना हिफाजत मैं करूँगी. I will care about myself. Why are you asking so? Bali said, turning her face towards the window and staring on. Instead of talking with this old lady, she turned her face to the window side and started gazing their side. And in this way, she continued. The journey was continued, and we have the scene in this story. Madam rides the bus at the part 1 and part 2. The rest of it, part 3 and part 4, we shall study. Record in next period. So read well, very well, and have a good day. We'll see you once again in the next period to continue the rest of the lesson. So till that time, meet you once again in the next period. Have a good day.